Okay. Guys, today we have Shankari with us.
నేను సర్దుకుంటున్నా సరే వన్ లాస్ట్ టైం
Guys, today we have Shankari with us. Could you please introduce to us?
Yeah, hi, I'm Shankari Narna. I'm from Guntur, India, and I have recently completed my master's in Systems Engineering and Engineering Management from Fachhochschule Südwestfalen-Soest.
Okay. I heard you did thesis in company.
Yeah.
How did you approach it and what was your thought process?
Yeah, I have done my thesis in the company called Dimatio. So it is a manufacturing company of bulk equipment.
Okay.
And I did my thesis on a research project called MRETRO, which is an emission reduction project. Firstly, I was when I was doing my second semester in IFA, so I was searching for internships usually. So since we are not from Germany,
Okay.
so we need some experience.
Yeah.
And the point is, I don't have any experience in India.
Okay.
Regarding manufacturing, nothing. I don't have any experience, so I just worked for my pocket money for 4 months in India. So I want some experience, and I have got to know from my seniors it would be better if you have experience while you are searching for jobs.
Okay.
And so in Germany, mostly they like to take experienced candidates.
Okay.
So I was in search of internship, so I was looking what kind of opportunities are there, how my profile will match, how my course content would match the industrial aspect. So I was searching for that. In that search, one day I was walking in our college corridor, so I just got to see one notice board. So I just saw that, and there was a position. Actually, it was for technical documentation work.
Okay.
In
Not
a company,
for thesis.
not for thesis.
Okay.
It was for a company, technical documentation work. So I wanted to be a part of a company because
Okay.
I don't know, I don't have any German experience, German
Yeah.
industrial experience. So I want to get to know how German work culture is all about.
Okay.
So first I thought like I would take whatever it is there. I just first want to enter into German work culture. So I went to professor, and he said, and I asked, I have seen this advertisement, so I just wanted to talk about this. So he referred to his assistant. So I went to him and I spoke to him. Then he said, give me your CV and resume.
Okay.
So I have written a motivation letter, and I have written my CV, and in a European format, like table format. So and I just gave to his assistant professor in FA. So after a few days, he was like, okay, come, we'll have an official interview types.
Okay, yeah.
So fortunately, my manager, who is in Dimatio, he is a employee also in FA.
Okay.
So we officially met in FA. So he came, he asked a few questions that what is your course content, why do you want to come to this company. So it was like a just formal discussion.
Okay. Was it in English or like in German?
Yeah, it was completely in English. My manager could speak very good English.
Okay.
So it was completely in English, and the technical documentation was also in English.
Okay.
So I was like, okay, I could do it. I was very confident that okay, I can do the documentation work since it is documentation.
Yeah.
So we know some technical aspects. So I thought I could do. So I was very confident. So he was also like, okay, we'll give her a chance.
Okay.
So like that, I got into technical documentation for this project, for the project which I worked for my thesis.
Okay.
So yeah, I was into this project. So I was doing my documentation for work for 2 months.
Okay.
And after that, my manager called me and he was like, okay, there is a thesis topic, and this is the extension of this project.
Okay.
So we are going to do it. We are going to extend this project. Fortunately, of my luck, the project got extended for another 6 months.
Oh, cool.
So he was like, okay, you can do thesis on this topic. So this is the scope for if you finish this this thesis,
Thesis.
so you'll get this kind of job opportunities.
Okay.
You can go into machine learning, you can go into automation side.
Okay.
So he explained me. To be frank, most of the managers, I don't know, like, but most I heard, but most of the managers wouldn't give that much time to explain and
Yeah.
everything. But he was so cool. He's so chill. So and he was since I was new also. To speak frank, I was so this village girl types when I met him. So I was nodding my head for everything first, but I was little scared. But it was okay. But he made me comfortable that okay, you should not go like dump. You can't just jump into thesis like whatever. Okay, if somebody comes and offering you thesis, you can't do it.
Yeah.
So he just explained me, okay, this is what happens in this thesis. This is what you're going to do. This is all how it is, how it will work, and how my profile will match to the jobs. So
Okay.
what are the requirements an employer is expecting from
us.
from a student, or from, for example, if we are a mechatronics engineer. So what kind of requirements does an employer wants from a mechatronics engineer? How
Okay.
can a master's graduate can handle
Okay.
things in the company as a mechatronics engineer? So
Yeah.
those are the requirements. So being an automation engineer, so he explained me like, okay, you are going to do this automation stuff, and through your thesis you have to handle this large amount of data.
Okay.
So you can just enter into machine learning stuff. So you'll just get into touch with machine learning. So you'll just get to know about MATLAB. So you have to work on MATLAB, you have to work on Simulink, you have to work on object-oriented programming. So he explained me all these things by sitting patient patiently, and then he was like, okay, I decided that I'm going to do this. That's how I entered to do thesis. But it was a fortunate thing happened because the project got extended and I was into the thesis and I finished.
Cool. So, what do you suggest? Company thesis or doing thesis in a college or university? And what are the reasons of choosing any of them?
So, see, there are different perspectives for many people, but as far as I know, I couldn't give an open statement, but as far as I could understand from the current scenario, or from my seniors or anybody, there is two perspectives. One is you are doing in the college, you will absolutely get more knowledge. Firstly, you are open to learn more things. In college. In the college, you are open to know more skills. Your working style is different because you will be more focused on knowing different aspects, different domains you'll be working. But in the company, it's not that, because you just get a limited supervision, I guess, and so limited data. So you just work on, because in the whole project you're just one. Okay, in a company. In the whole project, you're just one part of it. But while coming to the academic research, because my friends are doing also academic research like in the college, so professors would give you a lot of work so that you could explore more, you can learn more, you can of course it's any which is thesis is stressful. Either it is a company thesis or it is an thesis from the Hochschule. It's just the same. So, but this is also another point that we are international students, but this is not easy, because when we are going, our ultimate goal is to get into touch with a company. So we obviously tend to go for a company thesis usually, yes, because here in the Germany there are small scale companies, medium scale companies, even the big companies. But what this medium scale companies, especially medium scale companies, what they do is they just hire one student as intern, and they continue working with him like thesis. And if his performance or if her performance is good, because he or she will be trained in the internships or theses, they'll just get to know the processes in the company, and they just know the environment, they just know the people, they just get comfortable with them. So there is a chance. I don't say that every company is going to do this, but there is a chance. But most of my seniors are like this. They have followed this pattern, so they just continue the employees who are having who have done their thesis or who have done their internships with them. So they mostly try to keep their employees with them.
Okay.
So mostly my seniors, I have seen most of my seniors were of this category who have done their thesis, internships, and in a full-time jobs in the same company.
Same company. Okay.
Yeah, so in that way, company theses are good, but being an international student, it's also difficult that to enter into German companies without German knowledge.
German knowledge, yeah.
So you can't do that without
Hmm.
German knowledge. You especially need German knowledge since I
Hmm.
was an active job seeker now.
Okay.
So I just know I know like, so they'll be asking a lot of questions and they'll be ended up asking, do you know German?
Okay.
So it's just the case. So it's always better that when we don't have like pure German skills. So it's according to my perspective, it is okay to go with company thesis, and it is also okay to go with academic thesis, because you can't waste time by
Yeah.
searching internships for years. Like if you
Yeah.
are wasting 1 year in search of internships, then it doesn't make any sense.
Yes. Of
So
course.
you can try for 3 or 4 months, and if it is not working, then it's okay to go for thesis in the company, and you can take references of your professors. Then after that, you can search for a job. But that is also a good option.
Yeah. Cool. Okay. So like doing thesis in a company gives you more chance of getting a job. But what about the doing thesis in academic? Like, does it also have a good job opportunities?
Yeah, actually, you will be more knowledgeable as well.
Okay.
So you will have an equal. I don't say it's an equal opportunity, but even in the companies also, if your performance is not good, they are not going to keep you.
Okay,
They are
yeah,
not
of
going
course.
to extend your contract like full-time contract. That is not going to happen. It's just that, okay, when you are getting an internship or thesis with a company, there is a chance like you
Okay.
are more you are a very
Preferred.
good option for the employer to continue.
Okay.
He doesn't, or she doesn't have to search for another fresh graduate. He doesn't they doesn't need to go through like hundreds of applications. They need not to do all this stuff.
Yeah, okay.
But being in the college, we're doing the masters in the college, that is also fine, and you'll be more knowledgeable. And here the college professors references are absolutely very good references. So you can take reference letters from them when you're applying for jobs. You can attach your reference letters, like
Okay.
professors reference letters with them along with the applications.
Okay.
Then you can also get chance of.
Oh, so does it mean that references plays also an important role to get a job?
Yeah, as far as I heard that mostly references plays an important role in Germany job seeking. I don't say that that is for native Germans, but for international students, yes. When compared to the candidates who doesn't have reference is nothing but just like in the companies, if they have openings. So if a person is working in the company, and if they have openings, if they give reference, like, okay, when I am applying, for example, if I am applying for Infineon, so I have my senior who is working in the Infineon. If I
Okay.
give reference, so somewhere or the other it might help.
It might help. Okay.
It might help. I don't say it is so helpful all the time, but I
Okay.
can say it might help.
Okay. Cool.
So at least they try to see your CV, because if you are not having reference, it's just your application is one in 1,000 of applications. But if somebody is giving you a reference, okay, I know this candidate, he is of my college, like, or else I knew him, I knew his work style, I knew about his passion for this job.
Okay.
So then there is a chance that they'll at least see the CV. First they'll see the cover letter, then later they will think, okay, if it is matching the requirements, then they'll have an official interview. But reference is just that you are just getting close to the company, but you have to perform after that.
Yeah.
So it's like you will get a job with a reference, no? You'll just get connected to the company like with the HRs, like that. So but the official interview process is the same.
So it won't affect the interview process.
No, it's not going to
Just
affect
to get a connect to a company, reference helps, but not in the interview process.
Yeah, it's not in the interview process.
Okay.
It's just that they'll get to know, okay, this candidate is there, he or she is a fresh graduate, so she is looking for a job. Her her thesis or her skills is matching our role, our
Okay.
requirements or not. That's how references work.
Okay, cool. During COVID, the job market was dull. Okay, so like, how is it now? The situation.
Yeah, during COVID, it's actually dull to speak frank. So I've been applying for jobs since February, but I was not applying constantly. But I was applying like 2 3 days once. So,
Okay.
but from April I started applying daily. So still I could see there are more openings, but during COVID I couldn't see the more openings for entry level jobs.
Oh,
So but now slowly it was getting changed. Even my professors were also saying me that okay, they, of course economy is dull, and it's very difficult for the
yeah.
young professionals, or even for the experienced candidates. So it was very difficult now to switch to the jobs, like
Okay,
to other
yeah.
jobs. But now the situation is getting slowly better. I could see now, at least in
It's-
job advertisements, that
Okay.
there are vacancies.
Okay.
But it was not like before, but it was okay, not bad.
Okay. Okay, this is all for today. Thank you for taking your time with us. Any suggestions for your juniors?
No suggestions. It's like work work hard
Okay.
and finish your masters in time. Don't waste time.
Okay.
And try to get into some German company, either with thesis or with internship, whatever it is. If you don't get also, it's still okay. You can do with your professors.
Mhm.
So professors here are really friendly, so they'll help you
Yeah.
a lot. So don't waste your time. That's all
Yeah.
I can say, and work hard.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
Hope
you.
you get your dream job
Yeah,
and
thank you.
remember us for reference part.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.